Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Coinbase. Specifically, we're going to be answering the question, does Coinbase allow USD withdrawal? Now, I know this might seem like a pretty basic question, but it's actually one that I get asked a lot. And the answer is, it's a little bit complicated. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at Coinbase withdrawal policies. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. It's one of the most popular exchanges out there, and it's used by millions of people around the world. One of the things that makes Coinbase so popular is that it's easy to use. You can create an account in just a few minutes, and you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies right away. Another thing that makes Coinbase popular is that it's secure. Coinbase uses a number of security measures to protect your account and your funds. So, now that we know a little bit about Coinbase, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Coinbase allow USD withdrawal? The answer is yes, Coinbase does allow USD withdrawal. However, there are a few things you need to know before you can do so. First, you need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that Coinbase uses to prevent fraud. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to withdraw your funds. Second, you need to have a bank account that is linked to your Coinbase account. This is where your USD withdrawal will be deposited. Third, there is a minimum withdrawal amount of $50. So, you won't be able to withdraw less than $50 at a time. Once you've met all of these requirements, you can withdraw your USD from Coinbase. Here's how to do it. Log into your Coinbase account. Click on the Wallets tab. Select Send. Enter the amount of USD that you want to withdraw. Select your bank account. Click on Withdraw. Your withdrawal will be processed within a few days. So, there you have it. Coinbase does allow USD withdrawal, but there are a few things you need to know before you can do so. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Coinbase, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.